7.5 billion people. Isn't the number sounding huge? So, this is the population of the world, which can also be described as 750 crores. So, today we have a fact on this number. So, without any further ado, let's start our video. Fact number 1. I think there would be no one who didn't heard the name of the soft drink Coca-Cola because it is the favorite of many people around the world and it is also one of the most popular soft drinks in the world. But did you know that even with this much craze, it is banned in two specific countries? Yes, you have heard it right. Coca-Cola is banned in the countries of Cuba and North Korea. So it is the bad luck for the people in that countries to have missed such a good soft drink experience. So the reason for this is that in these two countries they do not trade anything from the United States. So as Coca-Cola belongs to the US, it is ultimately banned in these countries. Fact number 2. Everyone might have once at least experienced the spiciness caused by a chili, especially the South Indians, and many have found it as a trouble and also as a taste, but it does not have any major effect on a human body. But the world's most spiciest chili, that is the Carolina Reaper, is hot enough to kill a person. So I think anyone should be extra careful even while having a bit of it. Fact number 3. There is an island called Canary Island which is present to off the coast of northwestern coast of Africa. So as the name suggests, everyone might be thinking that it is named after the canary birds, but this assumption turns out to be wrong because it is named after the dogs. So the reason for this is that this island is considered as a part of Spain and it is called as Islas Canarias, which comes from the Latin phrase Canariae Insulae, which means that it is an island of dogs. So it was named as Canary Island. Shocking, isn't it? Moving on to the next fact. Fact number 4. Indonesia is a country present in the Southeast Asia between the Indian and the Pacific Ocean. It also comes under the Ring of Fire, which makes it a home for as many as 76 active volcanoes. Besides being a home for many volcanoes, this country is also home to some of the shortest people in the world, according to a research done by the Telegraph. When taking both genders into account, the average height of an adult is around 5 feet, which is 1.8 inches. And as a bonus fact, the longest people among the world live in Netherlands, where the average height of an adult is around 6 feet. Fact number 5. UNO, which stands for United Nations Organization, is an international organization which aims for worldwide peace and improvement. There are approximately 193 countries that have equal representation in UN General Assembly. So there will be generally many number of agreements signed in UNO. So the fact is that the country France holds the record for an agreement being signed by the largest number of countries in a single day. The agreement made by France was a climate change agreement and it was signed by approximately 174 countries out of total 193 countries according to the UNO. This agreement was signed in the year 2016. Fact number 6. There are many places on earth which have different names. Some might be having a big name while some have a very short name. But the little that everyone know is that the place which holds the record for the longest name is the one which is displayed on the screen. This place is a 1,000-foot hill that is located near the township Porangahau. It has 85 characters and the locals call it as the Taumata Hill or simply Taumata. It is spelt as
Talmudifakatangi handako ala automaditri the kakapiki manga horo anukapakai fanua kitana tahu.
It would be better that if anyone would think twice before giving a try to spell it. Fact number 7. Earth is a planet which is very densely populated, and also not only the population but the growth rate of the population is also increasing day after day. According to the statistics, average of 81 million people are born every year in the world. And not only that, but also for a second there are 4 babies who are born in various parts of the world, which is actually a very interesting fact. Fact number 8. Due to the rotation and revolution of the earth, there are various seasons caused on the earth which leads to a change in temperature around the world in a particular year, and many have any one season as their favorite season. So do comment your favorite season in the comment section. So the fact here is that the changes in the temperature that led to the record of the lowest temperature ever recorded was minus 144 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 97 degrees Celsius in the Antarctica, and the hottest temperature ever recorded was 134 degrees Fahrenheit or 54.7 degrees Celsius in Greenland Range in the Death Valley. Moving on to last fact of the day, fact number 9. As I have mentioned earlier in the video, the population of the earth is a staggering 7.5 billion, which seems to be a huge number, and even it is. So, can you ever imagine what would be the area that is required to fit all these people? So, if you imagine, then do comment in the comment section. So, the area required is less than that of 1302 square kilometers, or the entire area of Los Angeles, which is the most shocking part. But this is only possible for the people who want to live without even having a food space. So the people who want comfort cannot try this. So this is it for the video guys today. So meet you in the next video in the next episode. Bye.